Welcome to MotoMarket Explorer, your daily ride through America's best classic motorcycles for sale. Let's roll! One 1996 Kawasaki KZ1000 police bike. Located in Amarillo, Texas, priced at $3,000. This 1996 Kawasaki KZ1000 is a true classic, the very same model trusted by American police forces for years. Finished in white, it carries that unmistakable law enforcement stance, solid, balanced, and built for endurance. The seller reports it runs great, with brand new tires and fresh fork seals. Naturally, you'll find a few marks and signs of wear from decades of service, but for its age, it's in impressive shape. The KZ1000 Police remains one of the most collectible Kawasaki models of the 90s, a bike known for reliability and toughness that never goes out of style. Two 1997 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Listed in Guthrie, Oklahoma, asking $4,000. Harley's Heritage Softail line captures everything that riders love about classic American cruising, from the chrome details to the deep rumble of that V-twin engine. This 1997 model, in a beautiful burgundy finish, is described as an awesome bike, rides great, and ready to ride. It blends vintage looks with a comfortable suspension setup that hides the rear shocks, preserving that old-school hardtail appearance. At $4,000, this is an inviting entry point into genuine Harley ownership, ideal for weekend rides or local shows. Three 1996 Honda Shadow Ace 1100. Located in Healdton, Oklahoma, priced at $2,900. Honda's Shadow Ace, short for American Classic Edition, is a fan favorite among cruiser enthusiasts. This one has been garage-capped and remains in excellent condition. It's powered by an 1100cc liquid-cooled V-twin, paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission. The design embraces traditional styling with plenty of chrome, wide fenders, and wire spoke wheels. Low seat height means it's approachable for nearly any rider, and the shaft drive ensures minimal maintenance. Honda's engineering delivers a silky smooth ride, perfect for both city cruising and long open highways. Four 1980 Harley-Davidson FLT Shovelhead Bagger, found in Oklahoma City, priced at $8,000. Now this one's a beast, a custom 1980 Harley-Davidson FLT Shovelhead that's been heavily upgraded. It features modern brake calipers, dual front discs, a lowered front end, and a bagged rear setup with stretched saddlebags. The 21-inch front wheel, mini ape handlebars, and fishtail exhausts give it that unmistakable bagger attitude. Under the tank, you'll find an S&S carburetor, Barnett clutch, and Paul Yaffe tank setup, all premium parts. Add in a fresh stator, new voltage regulator, and a clean title, and you've got a head-turning classic that's as road-ready as it is collectible. Five 1981 Yamaha Virago XV750, located in El Reno, Oklahoma, priced at $1,400. Yamaha's Virago series helped define the Japanese V-twin movement. This XV750 has 27,000 miles, runs and drives well, and even comes with a clean title. Recent work includes rebuilt carburetors, a new battery, new front brakes and reservoir, plus an extra set of brand new tires. Some minor wiring fixes are needed for the brake lights and blinkers, but overall it's a mechanically solid ride, perfect for a light restoration project or anyone wanting a budget-friendly vintage cruiser. At just $1,400, it's one of the best classic bike deals on this list. Six, 1967 Triumph TR6R. Listed in Grandview, Missouri, priced at $6,300. Here's a stunning example of British craftsmanship, the 1967 Triumph TR6R. Often called the Tiger 650, this model was a favorite among riders who valued agility and style over brute power. With its parallel twin 650cc engine and slim frame, it delivered incredible handling for its era. The seller says this one runs great and looks like new, quite rare for a nearly 60-year-old motorcycle. Collectors love the TR6R for its link to the golden age of British bikes, when Triumph dominated the roads and even the movie screens. Seven, 1999 Suzuki Intruder, listed in Grapevine, Texas, asking for $2,250. If you want that classic V-twin cruiser feel without breaking the bank, the Suzuki Intruder is a solid choice. This red example was recently serviced, fluids checked, inspections completed, and both tires in excellent condition. The odometer isn't currently reading, but the estimated mileage is around 25,000 miles. Known for its strong torque, comfortable ergonomics, and distinctive exhaust tone, the Intruder offers reliable power for long highway rides. The seller holds a clean Texas title and might even consider trades, making this one a practical and fun cruiser for any rider. 8. 1982 Honda Goldwing GL1100. Located in McPherson, Kansas, priced at $2,200. The Goldwing name has long been synonymous with long-distance comfort, and this 1982 GL1100 shows exactly why. With 65,000 miles, it's in excellent shape for its age. The engine starts easily, even without choke, and the clutch and transmission feel smooth. It comes with matching side bags, lots of chrome accessories, and an upgraded AGM battery. The seat remains soft and well-capped, and the seller even notes that they regularly condition it to preserve the leather. For just over $2,000, this Goldwing is ready to take on another cross-country adventure. 9. 1987 Moto Guzzi 1000 Le Mans LE. Listed in Oklahoma City, priced at $6,850. This one's a true collector's item, a 1987 Moto Guzzi 1000 Le Mans LE, with only 100 units imported into the US. It's completely original with just 10,800 miles and features a close ratio transmission for that authentic racing feel. The seller has recently performed a full service, valve adjustment, fresh fluids, and new spark plugs, all using high-quality Moto products. It starts right up and runs flawlessly, Included are both shop and parts manuals, making it a dream piece for any Italian bike enthusiast or collector of rare European machines. Number 10. 1999 Ducati 996, located in Grove, Oklahoma, priced at $8,000. We end this lineup with an icon, the 1999 Ducati 996. Designed by the legendary Massimo Timburini, this superbike was the evolution of the famous 916, combining breathtaking looks with serious performance. Powered by a 996cc L-twin engine, it delivers an unforgettable symphony through its dry clutch and twin exhausts. This example is described as ready to ride and appears to be well maintained. For $8,000, it's a chance to own a piece of motorcycling history that's as thrilling to ride as it is to admire. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next week for more amazing classic bikes across America.